Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my C Sharp Professional Tips and Tricks tutorial series. This is my first lecture. In this video, you will see how to get the minimum length of words. I have already created the Windows Form project, and here I create a string array words Raza Abbas Shirazi. Now I want to get the minimum length of these words. What I use, I create integer variable. Here I use lambda expressions words dot min x dot length. Okay, now I want to message box let's run the project. Now when I click on this button, it is giving 4 because in Raza words there are 4 characters. Okay, thanks for watching.